Here I have Wiko Y60, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or any other lock screen method and unfortunately you forget it and you can't unlock your device. So what you have to do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you will have to turn off your device, then you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. In the appeared menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the fifth option, wipe data factory reset, and then confirm it by tapping yes, by selecting yes. And after you see the message data wipe complete, you can select the first option, reboot system now, and after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.